Right, this session I'm gonna continue from what we started before. This was the tire that we designed before. In the last section, I made some little changes to it. Alright, now we'll go ahead and create a new file where we can create a body and do the assembly. We're going to assemble the whole thing, the body and the tires. And toward the end, we'll do little animations of the whole system put them together. Alright. I'm gonna go ahead and add some fillet to the body so it look a little bit nicer, right? And here, what I'm trying to do is add some little cylinder on top so it look a little bit nicer. Just a little bit for aesthetic, I guess so. Yeah. I kind of adding like a two level of cylinder on top so it look like a cake shape, but not really. And also with some fillet in there so it look a little bit sharper and really nicer, right? Essentially what I'm doing now is add some change the appearances, so adding some color to it so it look a little bit colorful. So you can see here I'm kind of trying to find the right color and all of that stuff. But just I'm going to try multiple colors and see which one fit best. I mean, that's just my taste. Also, I'm really trying to find the best color for all the cylinder on top, the cake looking type in there. And yeah, kind of seem like I'm finding a really nice color to it. And yeah, at the end, I'm sure it's gonna look really great. And at this point, I'm kind of trying to add a new sketch on that one so I can like extrude the shaft for the tire so I can assemble the tire to that. So I'm gonna go ahead and draw those circle which I can then extrude it. And I'm gonna just do it once and then mirror that with a plane so I can see on the other side. So I have two of them. Essentially, that's the objective. You can see now that I'm doing the mirroring, and I'm looking for the mirror tool and then selecting the plane, so you can see that I have those two shafts all ready to go down. Alright, and this one when trying to add some little test to it, like a inbox test on it. I was thinking about what kind of test I'm gonna put on it, and yeah, gonna end up putting like engineering on the back of the body of the car. It doesn't look like it wasn't perfect, but yeah, just wanna put a test on it. You can see here I kind of struggle a little bit. I was having like my keyboard was on capital letters, and I was having a little trouble a little bit, like trying to figure thing out. Alright, finally, after some trial and errors, I was able to come up with the engineering, but it's centered on the back of the car. I wish I was a little bit able to put a little bit like some angle from, so it's not like on straight line. It's still pretty great. Alright, now essentially like a new file design, and I'm gonna add the two tires. That's what I'm gonna need, and the car, so I can assemble those two. And I'm kind of trying to add some like rotate the tire a little bit, and move it apart from the body. Also, you can see that the body itself is a little bit ground, so you can see the anchor on the body itself. If I don't do it that way, when I try to assemble the whole thing, I'm gonna start moving around, and the whole thing gonna start jerking. So you don't want that. So that's why you have to ground the whole body first before you do the assembly. Right, at this point, I'm starting to I'm finding the joint, so I can join all the body and all the tires all together. So you can see kind of a little bit struggling here, but yeah, at the end, I'm kind of trying to find all the joint, and then the joint won't be rigid, it will be like revolutionary, so it will revolve, so it can kind of turn around, so like it's turning right now. Pretty nice. Right, now I completed the assemble of the robot outboard joint, so I can see here all the tire being rotating properly. Now we'll move to the animation. Here we are on the animation page. I'm doing the explode of all level, so I can explode the tire so everything can just fall apart from the whole body. You can see here, but I already run already 30 minutes on the video, so I'm gonna stop it here. Okay, maybe next time we'll do proper animations. Thank you for staying around.